It's a hot summer day. You turn on your car's AC expecting icy cold air, but all you get is warm air. Before you panic or spend money on unnecessary repairs, here are 10 reasons your car's AC isn't cooling. And the number one cause is the one mechanics see most often. 10. Low refrigerant. This is the most common reason. Over time, refrigerant can leak from a system, reducing the AC's ability to cool the cabin. 9. Dirty cabin air filter. A clogged cabin filter restricts airflow, making the AC feel much weaker even if it's producing cold air. 8. Faulty AC compressor. The compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. If it isn't working properly, the refrigerant can't circulate, so the air won't get cold. 7. Cooling fan problems. If the radiator or condenser fan isn't working correctly, the AC may cool poorly, especially when the car is stopped in traffic. 6. Dirty AC condenser. Dust, leaves, and road debris can block the condenser, making it harder for the system to remove heat. 5. Electrical problems. A blown fuse, faulty relay, damaged wiring, or a bad sensor can stop the AC system from operating correctly. 4. Blend door actuator failure. Inside the dashboard, a small actuator controls whether air passes through the heater or AC. If it fails, warm air may come out even when the AC is on. 3. Refrigerant leak. Hoses, seals, or the condenser can develop leaks over time. If the refrigerant keeps dropping, simply refilling it won't solve the problem until the leak is repaired. 2. Climate control sensor malfunction. Modern cars use sensors to regulate cabin temperature. If one gives incorrect readings, the AC may not cool as expected. And number 1, you're ignoring the early warning signs. Weak airflow, unusual noises, unpleasant smells, or cooling that slowly gets worse are often the first clues that something is wrong. Fixing the issue early is usually much cheaper than waiting for the AC to stop working completely. A properly working AC isn't just about comfort. It also helps keep you alert and improves visibility by reducing window fogging. If your AC isn't cooling, don't ignore the warning signs.